heart moves slower, not because it is weak, but because it carries weight the mind was never meant to hold. And sometimes it remembers. What the mind forgets: the quiet mercy in small moments, the warmth that once found you when you weren't looking for it, the moments you wish you could pause, the laughter that faded too quickly, the silence that felt safe, the version of you that still believed. They are not lost. They linger in the chest, beating softly, waiting for the day you slow down enough to hear them again. They are whispers, not shouting for attention, not demanding answers, only guiding you back. And when the world feels too loud to understand you, remember, not everything that matters speaks in noise. Some truths arrive quietly. Some guidance comes as a feeling, not a sign. So slow your steps, listen to the weight in your chest, because what is meant for you will always know how to find its way back.